Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the world of autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, and how they're shaking things up. You've probably seen robots in movies, but let's talk about how these real-life versions are changing industries right now. First off, what exactly are AMRs? These are robots designed to navigate and perform tasks without human intervention. Think Roomba, but on steroids. They use a mix of sensors, cameras, and AI to understand their environment and make decisions on the fly. Now, let's talk about where these robots are making the biggest impact. Warehouses are a prime example. Companies like Amazon and Walmart are using AMRs to streamline their operations. These robots can move goods, manage inventory, and even handle packing and shipping. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces human error. But it's not just warehouses. Hospitals are also getting in on the action. AMRs are being used to transport medical supplies, deliver meals, and even assist in surgery. This allows medical staff to focus on patient care rather than logistics. And let's not forget about agriculture. Autonomous tractors and harvesters are helping farmers increase efficiency and yield. These robots can work around the clock, monitor crops, and even apply pesticides with precision. It's a game changer for the farming industry. So, what's driving this revolution? Advances in AI and machine learning play a huge role. These technologies enable robots to learn from their environment and improve over time. Plus, the cost of sensors and cameras is dropping, making AMRs more accessible than ever. Of course, there are challenges too. Safety and reliability are big concerns. Engineers are working hard to ensure these robots can operate safely alongside humans. And then there's the question of jobs. While AMRs can take over repetitive tasks, it's crucial to think about how this will impact the workforce. In conclusion, autonomous mobile robots are here to stay, and their influence is only going to grow. From warehouses to hospitals to farms, these robots are transforming industries and making our lives easier. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Catch you in the next one.